Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to dropship products from Temu in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already, and then for opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page of Shopify where we need to go ahead and log into your account. So after successfully logging in, now you'll be greeted by this home page right here where you can see all the sections we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with dropshipping Temu products. What we're going to do is right here, the left side screen, look at the apps section. So you want to go ahead and click on the add apps option right here. So after clicking on add apps, it's going to open up this new menu where you can take a look at all the apps you have, and you can open up the Shopify App Store. So by clicking the Shopify App Store, you is going to open up your Shopify App Store right here in a new tab, and now we can get started with searching for the apps that we want to use. And as you can see right here at the top of the screen, we have the search option, and what we're going to search guys is for Temu. So after searching for Temu guys, it's going to give us a list of all the applications that match our search, and we're going to be using this one today. You can try out any of the different applications that you want for yourself to see how they work, but one that's going to work specifically with Temu is this one right here. So you want to open up this application, and after opening it up, you can get started with setting it up by clicking the install button, and after clicking the install button, now you can go ahead and continue with the installation process. So click the install button, and after clicking the install button, your application is going to appear right here in the main page under your app section, and now you can get started with opening it up. As you can see, you can import products to your store in one click and get started with importing and dropshipping. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.